Welcome, engineers. Today we're exploring the Aerospeed Interactive Calculator, a specialized tool that solves critical ballistics calculations for archery and crossbow design applications. This calculator addresses the fundamental engineering challenge of predicting projectile performance based on bow specifications and arrow characteristics. Whether you're optimizing arrow speed, determining required draw weights, or calculating kinetic energy transfer, this tool provides instant computational results. Let's examine the inputs. First, you'll find the calculation mode dropdown with 6 options. Calculate arrow speed, calculate required draw weight, calculate maximum arrow mass, calculate kinetic energy and momentum, calculate bow efficiency, and calculate drop at distance. For our demonstration, we'll select Calculate Arrow Speed. The input fields include draw weight in pounds, draw length in inches, arrow mass in grains, and bow efficiency as a percentage. Additional fields appear based on your selected calculation mode, including arrow speed in feet per second, target speed in FPS, measured speed in FPS, distance in yards, and drag coefficient. Here's a worked example. We'll calculate arrow speed for a compound bow setup. Enter draw weight, 70 pounds, draw length, 29 inches, arrow mass, 400 grains, bow efficiency, 80%. Click Calculate. The calculator instantly returns an arrow speed of approximately 298 feet per second. This represents the initial velocity as the arrow leaves the bow rest. These outputs directly translate to real-world performance metrics. Arrow speed determines effective range, penetration power, and trajectory flatness. Higher speeds mean flatter trajectories, but may compromise accuracy if arrow spine isn't properly matched. One critical mistake: never assume 100% bow efficiency. Real-world efficiencies typically range from 70 to 85%. Find the link in the description below.